Welcome to the channel, guys. Hope you are doing good. So, today we will be discussing about the product of oklifecare, that is brain fuel. Before starting today's video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Now, what is brain fuel? Brain fuel is a brain wellness product. It is enriched with neuroprotection, anti-stress, and brain-body coordination. The brain is the most vital organ in the body that controls all body functions like thoughts, memory, speech, and the function of many organs within our body. But due to modern lifestyle pressures, stress, and aging, our brain's ability to function optimally is often impaired. Your brain needs fuel just like your body does, so you can drive it with our highly specialized health supplement formula, Brain Fuel, which helps and balance brain-body coordination. Brain Fuel is a product under the specialized herbopharmaceutical category. That means it contains scientifically proven herbal extracts along with nutraceutical ingredients that are beneficial for the nervous system. The herbal extracts deliver nutritional support for nerve disorders, while nutraceuticals work on the production of neurotransmitters that certainly decline with age. These both are packed in such a manner that gives a synergistic effect on mental wellness as compared to individual ones. If you are enjoying today's video, do hit the like button. Now, we will be discussing about the key benefits of Brain Fuel, which are it supplies a unique combination of selected herbs, vitamins, amino acids, and antioxidants such as Ginkgo Biloba, Bacopa Monnieri, Rhodiola Rosea, as well as L-Tryrosine, acetyl L-carnitine, DA, and vitamin B6, B1, B12, C that helps to sharpen the mental focus, enhances clarity of thinking, alertness, concentration, age-related memory loss, and even mood. It is specially designed to maintain a good blood flow to the brain that helps to enhance cognitive abilities. It also improves recollection power and induces better sleep by reducing mental fatigue and stress. Recent research shows that the combination of Ginkgo Biloba and Bacopa Monnieri is extremely effective in maintaining mental wellness by improving focus and memory. It helps to improve cognitive function by stimulating blood circulation and thereby improving the oxygen delivery in the brain. Due to the presence of a high amount of antioxidants such as Ganoderma extract, Trans-resveratrol, and Astaxanthin, it helps to support mental health by enhancing concentration. It also helps people with restlessness and anxiety. It contains turmeric extract that can protect brain health by reducing neuroinflammation, inhibiting neuronal damage, and exerting powerful neuroprotective effects. It also improves neurological conditions such as Alzheimer's disease, migraine headaches, and depression, 3 known contributors to mental fatigue. It contains ginseng and ashwagandha extracts that help to maintain a healthy balance between the nervous system and endocrine glands, thus reducing the harmful effects of long-term stress and anxiety on the body. A combination of multiple nutritional additives such as acetyl L-carnitine, DA, and phosphatidylserine can provide neuroprotection and also delay the progression of age-related cognitive decline. Research shows that the combination of folic acid, vitamin B6, and B12 plays an important role in energy production and nerve functioning, and also helps in maintaining normal blood levels of homocysteine, thus preventing dementia risk. So, thanks for watching the video. Hope you have enjoyed today's video. Do like and share the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. So meet you guys in the next video. Until then, goodbye.